Nice to know you, everyone. So this is Kevin from Fullwin Plastic Machinery, and today I want to spend some time to introduce our factory. Actually, we have 3 factories in total. Now I'm introducing our first factory. So now let's go to inside of this factory. I will show you more things. Now let's get started. About our first factory, our importance is attached on the single wall corrugated pipe. So let's walk into our workshop and see more details. So you can see now we have entered our factory. From this side to that side, all of these machines are about the single wall and the double wall corrugated pipe. So I'll just introduce from this machine. This machine is a very typical high-speed type single-wall corrugated pipe making machine. The speed of this machine can reach about 20 to 35 meters per minute. Okay, I will introduce this machine from the start to the end. Firstly, from the start of this machine is about the motor. The motor, here is the motor for driving the whole machine. This is motor, and this is the hopper. The hopper will have some material inside it, and we have adopted new technology, the PP, PE, PA, PVC. This material you can use this machine make it at the same time. And then about the PLC, we can use different brands of PLC. For example, this is Siemens. You can also choose other brands as you like it. You just need to tell us your requirements. And then about this part, inside the barrel is a screw. For this screw, the screw diameter and the radius, it can also be customized. This is the die head. The material will be ejected from this die head and entering the mold. The mold, we can do the single cavity or double cavity. For the double cavity like this, just like this kind is the very typical double cavity mold. And the material of the mold is, we use the high quality steel, so it can be used for a long time. Okay, after the forming machine, we can see this is the double station winding machine, and this is the final product, the single wall corrugated pipe. And on the pipe, we can engrave your logo on it, your company logo, your company name, like that. And you can choose the double station or single station as you like it. Okay, we can see more machine from here. Okay, for these machines, we have exported for more than 66 countries actually. And for example, these two machines are exactly the same. They are ready to be shipped for Algeria. Okay, and this machine with mark line, these 3 machines actually both with mark line. They will be shipped to, this will be shipped to Congo. For example, this is the single station winding machine. If you do not like the double station, you can also choose the single station winding machine. Actually, it can also meet your daily production capacity. This type is the kind of normal type single wall corrugated pipe. You can see here has the protection cover on it, and in case that there will be something entering the forming machine, so we make a new design on this. And the single normal type mold will be a little different from the high-speed mold. But don't worry, this mold will also improve a lot. For example, this is the position part. We want to ensure that during the production, the mold can fit with each other perfectly. And on the normal type mold, you can also choose a single cavity or double cavity. Okay, and here this is the machine to Rwanda. You can also choose. You can also see the machine ready to be shipped, and you can see the mold. It is connected by the chain, a little different from the high-speed mold. For the high-speed mold, it is moved on the rail, but for the normal mold, it has to be connected by the chain. Okay, and this machine will be shipped to Congo also. This machine is for Congo also. Okay, from this single wall corrugated pipe, and we can also make something like the plastic profile. For example, this machine has been packed with the PVC corner bit. which will be shipped to Kosovo. And we have tested successfully, so we cannot do it now. And this machine is for the ABS profile, like this. It's a very typical ABS profile. You can tell me your shape, your size, and we can design the mold. Okay. This whole machine also have been tested successfully and ready to be shipped. This is that part. This part is the vacuum siphoning platform, and this part is the hauling off machine for extracting the final profile out. And here, this is the cutting machine, and the final product will be put down here. The stacker. Okay, actually, we made this machine for ourselves, for our brand Fullwin. We also make some machine for other company like this. These two machines for other company. Other company ordered this machine for us, and they will export this machine to their customer. So you can trust our capability. We can design all of this machine, and we are confident that we are at the top range of the whole field for the single-wall corrugated pipe machine. Here is also a kind of high-speed type single-wall corrugated pipe making machine, and here this is the watering tank that their customer want to this design, so we added the watering tank. And here has another hauling off machine, small hauling off machine. Okay. Okay, so this machine is for the double wall corrugated pipe, and we have two designs: the normal steel mold, and you can also choose the aluminum mold. This machine is the double wall corrugated pipe machine with the steel mold. We can see the most typical features of this machine is about the mold. You can see the mold is just like the same material as the small diameter corrugated pipe, but you can see here is a large diameter because it is double wall, but the diameter about 100 millimeter. So we use the steel mold. It's also okay. And we have another type of machine like this. This is the double wall corrugated pipe machine with the aluminum mold. The aluminum mold is still not on the forming machine. And if you want to know more about this machine, you can ask me. I will send you more videos about that. And we have improved something about our machine. You can see these two extruders actually are fixed on the platform. The platform we have designed to ensure that the two extruders always on the same position. Otherwise, some of our customers will, move the extruder to a wrong position, and it will influence the final production. So we just designed these two machines on the same position permanently. So no matter our customer do whatever movements, these two extruder won't change, and the two extruder will be cooperated with this forming machine. About the final product, just like this, the final product. You can have a look. This is a double wall corrugated pipe. You can see it has two layers. Inner layer actually is smooth. Outer layer is still the corrugated shape. So that's why we call it a double wall corrugated pipe. It is frequently used in the agriculture, the water drainage, and some government water projects. Okay, so now I will show you more things about our workshop. We make all the machine in our own workshop. Okay, this is our workshop, which we process all the machine frame, everything here. So you don't have to worry about other things. We made all the necessary things by ourselves and do the composition by ourselves. And see everything we have to do the accurate measurements and test here. Here these steel are for making the frame of all the machine. This is just the primary steel, and we will do the painting, do the polish, do the other things for that. Here you can see this is the extruder that will be exported for Iran, and we are now composing it. That part, actually the screw. You can know that not every supplier has the capability to store so many screws You know, other suppliers, they will order, when they get the order, so then they purchase the screw. But for our machine, we have no time to do that. We have store the screw because we have many orders and many times. Okay, so here is the workshop. We're processing some parts of our machine. This is the platform for the corrugated pipe. You can see our engineers are processing it. The black part actually has been laser quenched, so the black part, the high-speed mode will be moved on the black part. So that's why we needed the laser quenching, and we have the laser quenching machine for that. Here is the frame of the machine that we still do the making. Here, all of them are our Fullwin brands. This machine is just the first step. You know, after this, we have to do the painting on that and then polish. And after the polish, we will do another painting and then polish. We will have many procedures to ensure that our machine is perfect and can be used for a long time. The very typical thing, twin screw extruder, and will be shipped to Europe country. And you can see here, depending on me, the frame of the extruder and the forming machine here. Here, this part is for the extruder. These parts are for the forming machine. Okay, so this is the extruder that already been finished, and we just need to our engineer to make the final composing. Okay. And here you can see all of these are the high-speed forming machine which already been made. And as long as we get the order, we can process the forming machine for our customers. You know, because we just need to change the mode. The forming machine, actually the frame is still same. Okay, here already the machine is already ready to be shipped. And apart from the extruder and the forming machine other parts, we also make the electrical cabinet by ourselves. You can see all of these electrical cabinets. We have our electrical engineer, so we can make the program, the wire, and something else, everything by ourselves. But at the same time, some other suppliers, they will ask us to make the cabinet. But if there is something wrong, they have to ask us to do the repairments and something else. Okay, we can come here to have a check. Okay, so this is our electrical engineer here. He is doing the composing. And for the brand we use, all of them we use the international brand like the Delta, Siemens, ABB, this kind of brands. And for example, for the air switch, we use this Shint. And if you want to use other contactor, we also have the Siemens contactor. Okay, so that's about this. We have the capability to do all of these things by ourselves. Okay, so today, actually for this factory, I have introduced everything. So if you want to know more about our machine, you can contact with me. I will show you more details. Okay, have a good day.